What's up guys, so some exciting news is coming regarding Xiaomi's Poco series new smartphone, and it's finally happening. I am talking about Pocophone F2. Well, we have seen Poco F1 last year. You may call it Poco or Pocophone, whatever you like. So last year's Poco F1 was really amazing device with great performance, powerful cameras, a massive battery and a processor. It has Snapdragon 845 processor, that is a flagship processor, and that's the reason that this Pocophone was considered to be the flagship device. It covers 6 and 8GB RAM variants, and that's why it got sales of almost 700,000. Along with that great processor and RAM memory, Poco F1 has 4000 milliamps of battery and amazing cameras too. Well, after release of Pocophone F1, rumors and leaks for Poco F2 initiated, and now today we have got the Poco F2 trademark application, which is revealing the device name. You can see in big letters the name of device Pocophone F2. So it is also rumored that it will have latest Android 10 along with the Xiaomi's latest MIUI 11. But regarding cameras, we can say nothing. There are chances for 108 megapixel custom sensor from Samsung and Xiaomi, but if it could not become a part of Poco F2, then most likely a 60 megapixel sensor will be there, and hope so there will be fast charging support with up to 5000 milliamps of battery. So it's not so far. Xiaomi will be releasing their Poco F2 soon. Other than that, we will be getting the leaks and rumors continuously. And another news here we have is about the Samsung Galaxy foldable smartphone. Yes, we have got some leaks regarding the Samsung Galaxy Fold smartphone, that is upcoming smartphone from Samsung, and maybe Samsung will be launching this smartphone along with their S11's event, which is actually happening on February 11. So there are chances that Samsung might release their foldable phone also on that event. Well, Samsung Galaxy foldable phone's name has been actually confirmed. This is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Yes, this is the full name of the upcoming Galaxy foldable smartphone, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. As we have seen its title name that was Bloom in a script that was leaked from Samsung. So according to that, this name is going to be Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Well, this is an amazing name, like it's YZ because it becomes Z shape when it is folded in half state. That's why Samsung named it as Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is also going to be the killer of Motorola Razr, that is also a foldable smartphone launched by Motorola last year that costs more than $1000, but the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip will cost less than $1000. So in this way, this could be the killer of Motorola Razr smartphone, and we will see the Galaxy Z Flip in less than $1000. Well, we will get this smartphone on February 11, and all of the information will be confirmed on that day. So till that, stay tuned by subscribing, keep supporting me, and I will catch you guys in the next one.